Welcome to Drone News Now, brought to you by Drone U, going above and beyond flight school to provide operation systems and confidence in drone pilots. In a troubling incident out of Palisades, California, a drone has officially collided with a firefighting aircraft. FBI officials in Los Angeles have confirmed the discovery of a DJI Mavic Mini 3, found embedded in the wing of the firefighting plane. The drone, showcased in an evidence bag, has raised serious concerns about the safety of drone operations near emergency aircraft. While FBI officials noted that this was not a commercial drone and tracking down the operator may be challenging, it does make you wonder, will DJI share the drone's serial number and purchase information to help identify the person responsible? After all, the Mavic Mini 3 does emit remote ID information. The bigger question remains, was remote ID useful in this case? And if not, why? This incident serves as a stark reminder to all drone pilots. Stay far away from emergency operations. Your drone may seem small, but the consequences can be catastrophic. In other news, the Pentagon has officially added Autel robotics to its blacklist. While this development may not come as a surprise given the ongoing scrutiny of foreign-made drone manufacturers, it raises questions about the impact on the drone industry. With Autel now blacklisted, the shift toward domestically approved drones is becoming more pressing for government and commercial operators alike. Meanwhile, DJI has been busy launching not one, not two, but 3 new drones, with another one rumored to be on the way. First up, the Matrice 4 Enterprise, which promises advanced capabilities for industrial and enterprise use. Instead of users getting a new Mavic 4 Enterprise, DJI is splitting the enterprise ecosystem away from the Mavic-based consumer ecosystem. While the drone states it is available for purchase on DJI's website, currently it is just a waitlist. Next, DJI has entered the compact drone market with the DJI Flip, designed to compete directly with 00 Robotics Hover Air. Perfect for casual users, this innovative drone combines portability with ease of use. Finally, DJI has launched the Usync 4 unit, an upgrade from the popular Air unit. This groundbreaking technology allows users to build custom drones, FPV drones, and Cinehoop drones with ease. What's most exciting? This unit enables the creation of sub-250-gram drones that can safely fly over people, opening up a world of possibilities for recreational and commercial pilots alike. But here's the catch. While there's talk of banning DJI drones, the availability of DJI components like the Usync 4 could provide a workaround for many pilots. The question is, will these components remain accessible, or will regulators close that loophole? That's it for today's edition of Drone News Now. Whether you're a drone hobbyist or a commercial pilot, staying informed is key to flying safely and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of drone technology. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on today's stories. Until next time, fly safe and stay inspired.